Good morning viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is the third and last day of my ride. You must be surprised to see me back in Khiching. Actually, yesterday while leaving I left my GoPro 360 cam's monopod in the temple premises, and I realized it only after reaching the hotel. So I am back again to take my monopod back, hoping that it's not stolen. However, the probability is less, so let's see if I'm lucky enough. And I have a very simple plan for today. After Khiching, I'll be going to Sanghagra waterfalls again just for the drone shot, as it was dark the last time when I took the footage. And then I'll head back to Rourkela. My actual plan for today was to visit Budbil, however that didn't happen due to some unforeseen circumstances.
Feel the ground shaking underneath, trying to take me alive.
मुसा काली संध्या बेले मु आस्तिली मंदिर एठी गोटे मोर गोटे एतिक नंबर रड गोटे छाड़ दी पड़ीथली पाइछन कि
ए दास से चाबी खोल के देखना रड गोटे माजी भाई के रखा करैथिली
धन्यवाद. I am very damn lucky to get this monopod back. I almost thought I lost it. So this is invisible stick which you use with 360 cam, and this cost me around 3300 rupees. So now we will go to the temple. I'll give you a walk around of the temple and temple premises. Then we will jump off to Sanghagra waterfalls. So I am right now at Khiching Museum, and here I met one of my subscribers. What is your name?
My name is Ritik Kumar Naik, is Mayurbanj district.
He is Ritik from Mayurbanj district, and this is a garden.
Get ready for the fallout. Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival, watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival. No rival. No rival. Tell me now, what you gon' do? We can do this face to face. The reckoning is coming real soon. Doesn't matter what you say. Try to tell you this is my moment. Can't take mine 'cause I own it. Don't you know that I'm locked and unloaded? You're out of focus. Get ready for the fallout.
Welcome back to Sanghagra waterfalls. If you have not seen my video on this place, then you can go ahead and check my day 1 video. I have covered this place already. I did not cover the return journey so as not to bore you, as there is nothing interesting. So now I'll proceed towards the waterfalls for the drone shots, and then I'll move ahead with my return journey.
Can't stop me now. I got no rival. I'ma find my way through the blood and pain game of survival. Any time or place, watch 'em run away. I got none. I'll be standing on my own, never gonna take my throne. I got no rival. Watch 'em run away. I got no, I got no rival. No rival. I got no rival. No rival.
So this is the beautiful Kanjipani Ghat section. And I have taken a water break here, and I'm already done with it. So we'll get going. So it's 4:15 PM now. I left Keonjhar a bit late. I think 3:30 or something area of Keonjhar, and there was a bad accident on the Kanchpani Ghat, due to which there was a traffic jam. Enjoy the beautiful view of Kanchpani Ghat. So now I have reached Barkot, and this is my favorite hotel here, Hotel Kalia. So I'll have some snacks and then I'll proceed towards Rourkela. When I left Keonjhar at around 3:45, I was quite aware that I would have to ride in the night. I don't have any problem riding in the night. The only issue is that this road is not in good condition, and if I increase my speed, there is always a risk of some mishap. Couple of minutes ago, there was a diversion which was not visible clearly. I applied certain brakes at the right moment. You must be aware that you don't stop suddenly on ABS bikes. If my bike could not have stopped at the right moment, I would have taken a very good plunge and it could have been quite serious. So now that's the reason why I'm driving at a controlled speed. Now I am at Fertilizer Township, or Sector 22 as it is known now. I have very fond memories of this place when I was a kid. I used to stay with my aunt, whom you saw in the previous episode. My maternal grandpa used to stay here while he was working in Rourkela Steel Plant. I was with my aunt until she got married, after which I returned to my parents. So that's the reason I have fondness for her, and she also likes me very much. That's how sweet memories are. So I'm now going to a very good sweet shop, the best actually, to get some cheese sweets, which we call in Odia as chena mudki. So they sell the best chena mudkis in Rourkela. So this is Fertilizer Hospital, which is called Sector 22 now, Sector 22 Hospital. And right in front of it, you can see Babban Sweets, where you can find tasty chena mudki. छेना मुड़की दे दो पार्सल गोटे खाया को दब नहीं अलगा अलगा It's really delicious. So I'm done purchasing and having sweets. Now I will proceed towards my home, which would mark the end of this video. If you like the content, you know the drill. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you soon in yet another exciting trip. Till then, take care, stay safe, and keep rocking.